Okay, I got it. This is the other part I was trying to figure out from earlier. So I have on the timeline notes C0 through C7 on the keyboard, all selected, all as separate clips, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start this script, which is gonna lock up Reaper for a little bit. And right now what it's doing is sending these MIDI notes to a plugin as well as a piece of hardware, to the Prophet 6 over here. And then it's recording the summed output of those two things into a track. Now, meanwhile, it has opened up the terminal, which is going to do something else for us. Let's just come over here, right? This is gonna format, once this is done recording, it's gonna format all the samples into my Decent Sampler front end that I made. The only thing I have to do right here is just type in the name of the preset, and then it's gonna point all the files where they need to go. I'm gonna come back in a second to show you that when this is done recording. All right, we're nearly there. It's just rendering out the files now, and I did a complete pass of everything. So this is just gonna take a second to do all these. All right, so everything's rendered. The only thing I have to do is put in a name. So I'm gonna call this test preset, and then I'm gonna hit, wait, where we go, test preset, and then go, and it's done. All right, then if I come over here and I open this guy up, I should have a working, yeah, we're good. I have a working preset. And I didn't have to fish around in anything. The only real work I had to do was the sound design, and then I had to name the preset and type that in. That's it. Everything else is all taken care of. This is gonna save me such an absurd amount of time. This is so exciting.